Hey everyone, welcome back to Manufactured Housing Expert. Today we're continuing our tour in the peaceful Santa Margarita Mobile Home Park, located in beautiful Santa Margarita, California. This scenic community is surrounded by natural beauty, offers great amenities, and is close to outdoor activities and beaches like Avila Beach, making it the perfect spot for those who enjoy both relaxation and adventure. Today we're taking a look at another 2023 Fleetwood Canyon Lake Series ADU, with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 728 square feet of living space, and priced at $182,400 with $975 in space rent. This home comes in at 13 feet by 56 feet and has a bright, modern aesthetic with clean white cabinets and white solid surface countertops. Let's start our tour by entering the first bedroom, located at the front of the home facing the street. This cozy room is perfect for a guest bedroom or a home office, and it comes with a standard mirrored closet, adding a practical touch of storage and brightness to the space. Now moving into the living area, you'll immediately notice the open floor plan and the large windows that flood the room with natural light. The 9-foot flat ceilings also add to the spacious feel of the room. This living area is perfect for relaxing or entertaining, with plenty of room for furniture and decor. Next, we move into the kitchen, which features a sleek, modern design with white cabinets and white solid surface countertops. The bright, airy aesthetic makes the kitchen feel inviting and clean, and it's fully equipped with modern Whirlpool appliances, including a dishwasher for added convenience. The kitchen also has plenty of cabinet storage, and with the open floor plan, it flows seamlessly into the living area, making this space perfect for hosting family or friends. Just off the kitchen, we have the utility area with room for a side-by-side washer and dryer, along with extra cabinet storage. Now, let's check out the bathroom. This modern bathroom is simple yet stylish, featuring a vanity with great lighting and a shower tub combo that offers both functionality and comfort. Finally, we arrive at the second bedroom, which is similar to the first, offering a standard mirrored closet and enough space for a full-size bed. It's a great option for a guest room or an extra bedroom for a small family. The best part? You can order this home for your property for less than $125,000. Leave a comment below for more information on how to get this model for your land. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the 2023 Fleetwood Canyon Lake Series ADU here at Santa Margarita Mobile Home Park. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss one of our weekly home tours. If you're interested in this home or want more information, feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to help. See you on the next tour.